Gloria in excelsis Deo. Peace be with you. We give thanks to God for gathering us together today as His beloved children. And we are blessed to have with us His Eminence, Cardinal Orlando Quevedo, and Her Excellency, former President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, celebrating with us. We are also joined by our fellow priests, religious sisters and brothers, seminarians, oblates of St. Benedict, the school community, and the family of Dom Benedict, as well as our faithful Mass goers who join us in prayer and celebration. This Sunday is observed by the Church as Good Shepherd Sunday, which is dedicated to praying for vocations to the priesthood and consecrated life. We are grateful to the Lord that on this special day, we celebrate the solemn profession of our brother, Dom Benedict, and we thank the family of Dom Benedict, Mr. Nestor Camacho and Ma'am Maria Lourdes. Thank you for being good shepherds to your son, Dom Benedict, and also his siblings. Thank you for offering him to our monastic community and the Church. In 2004, St. Pope John Paul II, speaking of his own life, said that it was a beautiful thing to be able to give oneself to the very end for the cause of the kingdom of God. This echoes his words in his first address as the successor of Peter when he said, "Do not be afraid. Open wide the doors to Christ." Our late Pope John Paul died courageously following Christ, even while suffering and in pain. The famous evangelist Billy Graham once said in a TV interview about the late Holy Father, and I quote, "He lived like his master, the Good Shepherd, and he died like his master, the Good Shepherd." As St. Pope John Paul II lived for the cause of God's kingdom, Dom Benedict now shares in the same goal of bringing himself before the Lord to live his life until death as a Benedictine monk of this monastery, the School of Divine Service. Our Good Shepherd calls us to listen to his voice and follow his example of humble service and love towards one another. By virtue of our baptism and our monastic profession, may we imitate his example of compassion and selflessness as we become obedient sheep to the shepherd. May we also become worthy shepherds to the flock whom God has entrusted to us. St. Benedict admonishes his monk and all of us to listen with the ear of our hearts. May we listen to God's voice and be inspired to lay down our lives for one another. The Lord is my shepherd. There is nothing I shall want. We know this psalm by heart, and it takes meaning for each of us in our personal encounter with the risen Lord. Let us deepen our love for our Good Shepherd so that we too can say, that we know not only the Son, but also the Shepherd himself. And like Saint Pope John Paul II, who lived like his Master and died like his Master, the Good Shepherd, we too will offer our life to seeking God in the service of the Church.
Suscipe me Domine, secundum eloquium tuum, et viva, et non confundas me ad expectatione mea.
Suscipe me Domine, secundum eloquium tuum, et viva, et non confundas me ab expectatione mea.
Suscipe me Domine, secundum eloquium tuum, et viva, et non confundas me ad expectatione mea.
Suscipe me Domine, secundum eloquium tuum, et viva, et non confundas me ab expectatione mea.
Suscipe me Domine, secundum eloquium tuum, et viva, et non confundas me ad expectatione mea.
Suscipe me Domine, secundum eloquium tuum, et viva, et non confundas me ab expectatione mea. Gloria Patri, et Filio, et Spiritus